Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a 6.5 yard stamped concrete patio. We're very excited. We love doing decorative work. Stick around for the excavation, the prep work, my favorite part, the pour and the stamping. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. We'll see you then, guys. Thanks.
¿Ya? Sí, ya. No sé, hay un poquito más acá, ¿no?
Como que siento que está pintado. J&M Concrete, how can I help you? And it's going to be 7 yards, exterior 50-50 mix, regular 1-inch slope, micro.
Okay, so you want 50-50 mix, not regular rock.
Yes,
right?
ma'am. All right, guys, there it is. Stamp went on really good. Everything came out really well. Customer is very excited with their new concrete. Bless you. There it is, guys. Everything came out good. We'll come back in 5 weeks to pressure wash it, add the secondary color, and seal it. It's gonna look really cool, but I will be posting this video anyways, as you can tell because you're watching it beforehand, and then we'll post a little short video for when the sealer happens. Thanks for stopping by, guys. And next project's gonna be 2 large driveways, so it's gonna be a long video. Stick around for that. See you then, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.